In this video, I'll be showing you how you add text to videos you are trying to edit using the YouCut app. Simple and easy. So to do that, you can see we have this video playing right here. So we are going to search for the text. So you can see text here after effect. You see text. Tap on that there. Good. And now let's try add anything. Drag and drop. You can edit the text. That's the font size. You get me, the font type and the color. You can make it red, something like this. Is up to you. And then the line, you can do all these type of editing, and yet you can see the text has been added. So now let's say you want it to be, let's say it's like some sort of logo. You just drag it like this and you put it here, right? Yeah, so I think that's it. So if you want to edit the text, you just tap on it to edit it. You see the pencil pops up, and that's it. Yeah. So if you want to drag the text to all the part of the video, just tap on it and then you long press to drag, and it should appear on every part of the video. And that's it. If you are new here, just give me a like, subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of tutorials on YouCut. You can check them out. That's it for the video. Peace.